Dad.
Junior, what is it?
Dad, can you please help me spell conjunctivitis? Conjunctivitis.
No problem, it's okay. Do you have a phone?
I have a phone.
You have a phone. Nice one. Do you have something called Google on your phone?
Dad, I know Google.
You have Google? Great. Do you know that Google is your friend? So you don't know that you are supposed to Google it? Conjure. By the way, why are you asking me to spell conjure? So I'm sending you to school, you cannot spell conjure? You are wasting... Oh my God. You are wasting my money. I doubt if you can even spell your name.
Daddy, now. I can spell my name.
My friend, shut up there. Spell Junior.
Dad, I can spell my name.
I say spell it. Spell Junior.
I should spell it.
Okay.
Junior.
How possible we hear this?
I thought you would miss it. I would have said you've wasted all the money in school. At least you are better than Jumbo. Jumbo, my son, I sent you to school. You don't know how to spell your name. At least you can spell your name. You are good for something. Oshisko.